Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. Today, we're talking about one sentence that secretly makes many English learners sound nervous without realizing it.
Oh, yes. I already know what it is.
You probably used it today.
Maybe 3 times already?
The sentence is, I don't know.
The international survival sentence.
Exactly. And listen, this phrase is not wrong.
Completely correct English.
Native speakers say it too.
All the time.
But if it becomes your only response, conversations start sounding robotic,
Flat.
nervous,
Like your brain suddenly stopped working.
which honestly happens to me during unexpected conversations.
Same. Especially when someone asks me a deep question too quickly.
Yes. Like, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
My brain immediately leaves the building.
Exactly.
So today, we're learning natural alternatives that sound more fluent, more confident, and more human.
Because real English is emotional English.
Oh, that sounded inspirational.
Okay, let's start with the easiest and most natural replacement. I'm not sure, actually,
Native speakers love this one.
because it sounds softer and more conversational.
Right. Instead of, I don't know, you say, I'm not sure, actually.
Exactly. That tiny change immediately sounds more natural.
Also calmer somehow.
Yes, because it sounds like you're thinking instead of,
Okay, wait, let's do real examples because this is where learners actually remember things.
absolutely. Context makes everything easier.
Situation 1. Your friend asks, "Do you think Sarah is coming tonight?"
I'm not sure, honestly. She seemed tired earlier.
See, that sounds real.
Exactly. Because native speakers usually add extra thoughts.
Yes, that's something learners miss.
Many learners answer with one tiny sentence and stop.
Which creates awkward silence.
Conversation dead immediately.
But native speakers usually continue naturally.
Exactly. Like, I'm not sure, honestly. Maybe she's still working.
That flow sounds much smoother.
Because conversations are not grammar tests.
Oh, yes, that's important.
Conversations are emotional and flowing.
Tiny sentence, big difference.
Okay, now let's move to one of the most common native phrases. I have no idea.
Oh, yes. This one has personality.
Exactly. It sounds more emotional than, I don't know.
Like, imagine someone asks, "Where are my keys?" And you say, "I don't know."
Sounds cold.
But I have no idea where they went.
Suddenly there's emotion, confusion, energy.
Usually panic.
Especially when you're late.
Oh, yes. That special panic when your phone disappears.
First, you stay calm.
Then 5 seconds later, everybody stop talking. I can't find my phone.
Universal human experience, honestly.
Every listener understands this pain.
Another thing natives do is shorten the phrase.
Yes. Instead of, "I have no idea," they simply say, "No idea."
Very casual. Very natural.
Where's Jay? No idea, honestly.
Okay, now here's something important.
What's the difference between "I'm not sure" and "I have no idea"?
Great question. I'm not sure means maybe you know a little.
Like, maybe you're still thinking.
Exactly. Example. I'm not sure if the restaurant is open today.
Meaning, I might know something,
Right.
but I have no idea means zero information.
Completely empty brain.
No thoughts. Only survival.
Exactly.
Example. Do you understand taxes?
I have absolutely no idea.
Extremely realistic conversation.
So remember, I'm not sure equals maybe. I have no idea equals absolutely not.
That actually makes it very easy.
Exactly.
Okay, now we're entering smart native speaker territory.
One of my favorite phrases? That's a good question.
Native speakers use this constantly,
Because it buys thinking time.
which humans desperately need sometimes.
Exactly.
Someone asks, why do people enjoy horror movies?
That's actually a really good question.
See? Now your brain gets extra seconds to think.
And instead of sounding nervous, you sound thoughtful.
Like a wise philosopher.
Exactly.
Even if inside your brain there's still chaos.
Especially then.
Another reason this works is because it keeps conversations alive.
Exactly. It invites discussion naturally.
Instead of killing the conversation with, I don't know.
Okay, now we're entering dangerous territory.
Casual native English?
Exactly.
I'm scared already.
First phrase, beats me.
Such a weird expression, honestly.
English creates chaos for fun.
True.
Beats me means I have no idea.
Example. How did the cat open the door?
Beats me.
Very casual. Very native sounding.
But not professional.
Please don't say this in a job interview.
Imagine. Why should we hire you? Beats me.
Immediate rejection.
Security escorting you outside instantly.
Another common phrase, your guess is as good as mine.
Native speakers love this one.
Meaning, I don't know either.
Exactly.
Also slightly dramatic.
Which makes it... Okay, now let's sound more professional.
Office English activated.
Instead of, I don't know, you can say, I'm not entirely sure.
Wow, that sounds polished.
Very professional, very smooth. Examples. I'm not entirely sure how that works. I'm not entirely sure why the meeting was canceled.
That sounds much better in work situations.
Exactly.
Another great phrase. I can't say for certain.
Oh, yes. That one sounds intelligent.
Example. Do you think the project will finish this week?
I can't say for certain.
Wow, that sounds fluent.
Because it sounds calm and confident.
Instead of nervous panic energy.
Exactly.
Tone change.
Okay, let's do funny real-life situations.
Best way to remember phrases, honestly.
Situation 1. Your mom asks, who ate the cake?
That's a really good question.
No!
Dangerous English.
Immediate family investigation.
Situation 2. Friend asks, do you think my haircut looks good?
Oh, dangerous territory already.
Very dangerous.
I'm not really sure, honestly.
That friendship is ending tonight.
Situation 3. Teacher asks,
Why didn't you do your homework?
Beats me.
Absolutely not.
Terrible life decision.
Fastest way to fail a class.
But honestly, these situations help learners remember emotional English better.
Because funny situations stick in your brain longer.
Exactly. Before we finish today, let's talk honestly for a second.
Okay.
Many English learners are afraid of sounding wrong.
Very true.
So, under pressure, they choose the safest possible sentence.
Which becomes, I don't know.
Exactly.
But real English conversations are emotional,
Messy.
relaxed.
Human.
Native speakers constantly change their responses depending on mood and situation.
And now you can do that too.
Instead of sounding robotic,
You sound natural.
instead of freezing,
You keep the conversation flowing.
which is the real goal of fluency, honestly.
Exactly. Communication over perfection.
Beautiful.
So, next time someone asks you something,
Don't panic.
don't freeze.
Just breathe and say,
I'm not sure, actually.
I have no idea, honestly.
That's a good question.
Beats me.
Your guess is as good as mine.
Instant, natural English.
If today's episode helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments, which phrase are you going to use first in real life?
We read every single comment.
Every single one.
Thank you so much for listening.
Keep practicing
Keep learning.
and keep speaking English with confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.